Look at this plane, guys. It's a farmer's plane. They're gonna fertilize their farm. They fly very, very low. Oh my god. It's so nice. My garden. Got my eggplant. This is jalapeno hot peppers. Got a very big plant here. Broccoli. This is mild pepper, and this is melon musk. I got squash there, watermelon there, and zucchini. Tomatoes. Other place coming. Come on. Here we go. Look at that. Fly very, very low. I'm scared it will crash in the woods. Oh my god. It's too low. Look at my bok choy. Kinahanglan bunlayan. Dagas ng sagbot. Have to weed my bok choy. Bok choy. This is zucchini. We got some zucchini today. Bok choy. I have 4 raised beds bok choy. Look at my okra. They started giving fruit now. Okra. Some okra here. Come kayo. My okra is so fat. I got some cucumber there. Where's the plane? Come on, fly over here. Cucumber. It's my cucumber, guys. Look. Oh. Oh my god. Lots of cucumber here. Look. There's tiny. Can eat my cucumber soon. This is zucchini. Zucchini is so fat. Another cucumber here. Zucchini. This is a new. I just planted this bell peppers or capsicum and cherry tomatoes. they're growing. So they have 2 months left before snow. 2 or 3 months. I planted some. Oh, the plane is back. Oh my gosh, so nice. So I planted potatoes, patatas. I got 16 potatoes here. I love gardening. This is my stress reliever, and I feel happy to see my garden growing and can harvest them. So my corn is very late. I planted my corn 2nd week of July. So this is how it looks like now. It's very late, and some of them was gone. The 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 deers eat them. I don't know how they get in the garden. We put fence, but still the deer jump over there and eat my garden. So this is squash. Where's the plane? Come over here, visit my garden. Put fertilizer in my garden. Alright. So I got some squash. I don't have this. Oh, this is watermelon. Watermelon. I think they started, yeah, having flowers. That's watermelon flowers. It's hot. I have to go home. So my squash is not having fruit yet. Yeah, not yet. But they look good. They look so green and fat. This is chives. I got more chives over there. This is green spring onions. Tomatoes. Melon musk. Cabbage. But I don't know, there are green worms eat them. Broccoli. Mild peppers. Broccoli. I love this eggplant. It's very big. Look at that. It's so huge. Eggplant. One more there. And over there as well. Show you. Go. Mild peppers. Mild peppers. That is jalapeno. Tomatoes. Mint. Anyway, I have to go. It's hot. I have to get ready to work. It's 12:30. I have to go at work at 1:30. p.m. to work. Bye guys. I'm gonna show you later my flowers. Somebody's sitting there. The balcony. Who's that?